Hey ladies and gentlemen, this is a TX5. It comes in two colors, white and black. Now this is a special alarm and time clock. It is a 95 decibel as low as 55 decibel. The front of the display changes multiple colors. You could dim the light, you have a backup battery, and you could charge your smartphone by your bedside as well. Let's give a nice close-up look, show you how to operate this clock because it may be just a little difficult, but something very simply overlooked can be very complicated. So let's get right into this review. You're given a USB charger port, dedicated cable, plugs into the back of the unit. There is your USB port, and here would be two AAA batteries included. Mine are left out so I could display the actual clock working. Here are the two speakers. They're extra loud. On the side is your dimmer switch. You have a snooze button, and if you press on the snooze button, it's going to change the actual colors of your clock. And here is a demonstration of that. The first press is a multicolor. The next press, you can see the colors changing. Pick the colors you like. Now, you have a positive, pressing it, nothing's going to happen. A negative, nothing's going to happen. You have here this center button, which is your alarm. Long press it. You have 70 decibels down to 55, all the way up to 95. You have a light that flashes as well. This is your alarm. You can set the alarm short press to go on, short press to go off. Long press will set your alarm up. So we're going to set our alarm to go off at 10 a.m. and we're going to press it to go off at 10:15. If I hold this button down, it will go fast. This is the month and time or the sounds and so forth. Please forgive me. You could switch them back and forth and change them to anything you like. Now, this is the clock. It is 10:13, long press, 12 o'clock, 10, press again, 13, press again, the year, press again, the date and time, press again, and the month and so forth. And you get the idea. We have the alarm, and the alarm should go off in 2 minutes' time. We have here is a light. As you can see, the light on the bottom, it's white, red, green, and so forth. Multicolor that changes. Great for a kid, great for anybody that's looking for a light. If you long press it, it is shut off. This is a 24-hour button. If you press it, you could change it to 24-hour military or standard 12-hour time. This over here will brighten and dim down your clock. I've gone over the clock in pretty much detail and all, and it's very easy to use and set up once you learn it. If you want to snooze, this is the snooze button. Remember, cameras shooting videos may make this look a little different, like flickering. That is quite the norm. You have an instruction guide on how to use your unit. It comes in English and other languages. Check further on detail online for more information about your product. It is an extra loud time alarm clock, something that maybe somebody needs to listen to wake up that they can't hear. Maybe for a kid's room, maybe for a child, maybe for you. We are ready for the alarm to go off in a couple of seconds. Hopefully, if we set it up correctly, we'll hear that beep. And it flashes and all that good stuff. To stop the alarm, you either hit the alarm or the snooze. I hope this product is something that you're looking for. A nice size alarm clock, wake you up, or even tell you, hey, it's time to get up. Things like that. I hope you enjoy your product if it's right for you.